Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture is about cells, tissues and organs. It is the lecture number 2 from the 6th class General Science. As you are familiar that all the living body is made up of the cells. When similar cells combine together to perform a particular function, we use the term tissue. It means tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. Animals and plants have different type of tissues. In animal tissues, first one are the epithelial tissues. Epi mean upper. As this name indicates, these are present on the upper surface. So epithelial tissues are present on the upper surface of our body. They are present in skin, lining of tubes and organs. And what is the function? They cover and protect our skin, and they secrete hormones. Second type of animal tissues are the connective tissues. As this name indicate connective, it will connect different parts together. So what is the function of these connective tissues? They connect and transport and support the body. And these connective tissues are present in bone, blood, cartilage, fats. Third one are the muscular tissues. As this name indicate muscular, these are part of the muscles. Muscles are formed by these muscular tissues. The function of these muscular tissues, they help in movement of the body parts, and they are present in heart and muscles of our body. Last type of the tissues are the nervous tissues. As this again name indicate nervous, it is made up of the nerve cells. So nervous tissues, they carry messages around all the body, and these nervous tissues are present in brain, spinal cord and nerves. Now what different types of tissues are present in the plant? First one are the epidermal tissues. Again this name indicate epi. I have already told you epi mean upper. So epidermal tissues, they are present on the upper surface of the leaves, stems and roots, and their function is to cover and protect the body. Second type of plant tissues are the photosynthetic tissues. What this name indicate? Photosynthetic means they are related in food preparation. So photosynthetic tissues, they make the food, they prepare the food for the plant, and if they prepare the food, it means they are present in the green leaves or the green parts of the plant. Third one type of tissues, they are the sporting tissues. Sporting tissues, again this name indicate what will be their function. Obviously they will support and strengthen the plant, and these are found in wood of the stem and the roots. Last type of tissues present in the plant are the vascular tissues, and vascular tissues means they are the vessels of the plant. So what will be their function? They will move the water and food in all parts of the plant. And where they will be present? These vascular tissues obviously will be present in the vascular bundles. So by just you can judge the function of the tissue by its name. As you have learned that cell is the building unit of the body, and when same cells combine together, they form the tissues. Now what happened when different tissues combine together to perform a particular function? then organs are formed. It means organs are formed by the combination of different type of tissues that work together in that organ. Just like you can see here the example of the stomach. Stomach is an organ and it is formed by the combination of different type of tissues. Now you can see in this picture which type of tissues make up the stomach. Here you can see the muscle tissues, loose connective tissues, nervous tissues and the epithelial tissues. These are different type of tissues which perform the different function, but when they combine together, then they form the organ, that is the stomach, and stomach help in the digestion. Process of digestion start in the stomach. So stomach is an organ that is formed by the joining of different type of tissues together. Different type of organs are present in the human body. You can see in this picture. First one is the brain, and shape of this brain is just like the walnut, and it is the control center of our body. All the body functions performing or going on in the body, they are controlled by our brain. Second organ is you can see here the heart. You can see clearly in this picture the heart is of the cone shape and it is a muscular structure, means it is made up of the muscles. And what is the function of this heart? It perform a particular function of the blood transport, pumping of the blood or transportation of the blood. Third organ is given here is the stomach. As you have already learned that stomach, it is a part where the food start to digest, and it is a muscular bag. You can see its picture is just like a bag made up of the muscles. On the left hand side you can see the organ lungs. And lungs, these are the spongy balloon like. They are just like the sponge having the pores over there. And what is the function? They takes in oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide, means the process of respiration is carried out through these lungs. Next one is the liver. Liver is a triangular gland. It secretes the hormones and help in the digestion of the food. Last one, you can see the kidney here. These kidneys are the bean shape. It is just like the shape of a bean, and it removes the waste from our body. It means process of excretion is carried out by this kidney. These are the different type of organs, main type of organs which are present in the human body. And all these are organs by the combination of different type of tissues. Just like in the human body different type of organs are present, in the same way plant also have different organs which perform the specific function. Leaf is an organ that make the food. It is related to the photosynthesis, and this leaf is formed by the combination of different type of the tissues. You can see in this picture that upper epidermis, photosynthetic tissues, vascular tissues, all these combine together and then a leaf is formed. Leaf is able to carry out the process of photosynthesis. So these different type of tissues, vascular tissues, epithelial tissues, photosynthetic tissues, they work together. Different tissues work together, then organ perform its function. An organ is formed by the combination of different type of tissues. That organ perform a specific function. So you can see clearly animals and plants have different type of organs, and these organs are made by the combination of different type of tissues. When different organs work together, they carry out a life process. For example, in our body, more than 200 bones, they work together and make up the skeletal system. Means our skeleton is made up of more than 200 bones. Different bones, they work together and then skeletal system is formed in our body. This system provides the support to our body, protect the internal organs and help us in movement. It means organ system form when different organs work together. In the pictures you can see the different organs, they are working together, just like the heart, arterial systems and veins. They work together and then circulatory system is formed which circulate the blood around all of our body. In the second you can see the digestive system and how this digestive system is formed when different organs work together, just like the liver, stomach, intestine. When these work with in harmony with each other, they work together, then the digestive system is formed which break down the food into the simple substances so that it become the part of our blood. You can see the muscular system in our body. All of our body is made up of the muscles, and these muscles work with bones and help in the movement of the body. So different muscles, they work together. Then you can see the respiratory system. This respiratory system is formed by the combination of different organs, just like the lungs and trachea. So the respiratory system provide the oxygen to the blood and remove the carbon dioxide from it. So you can see different organs, they work together and make a organ system. Nervous system is the combination of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. In the same way, the excretory system is the combination of the kidney, ureter, bladder. These different organs, they work together and then process of excretion in our body take place. Skeletal system, that I have already told you that it is made up of the bones. In this, the skulls, rib cage, you can see in the picture, these are the different organs, they work together in harmony with each other. Just like in the animals you have seen the organ system, in the plant organ systems are present. There are the two main systems, one is the root system and second is the shoot system. Now root system, it is comprises of the leaf and it contain the bud, flowers, stems. These different organs, they work together and then the shoot system is formed. And this shoot system, as different organs are working together, stems support the leaves and transport the substances between the roots and shoots. Leaves, they are related to the preparation of the food as they perform the function of photosynthesis. Flowers and fruits are responsible for the reproduction of the plant. So these different organs, they work together and the shoot system is formed. In the root system, you can see the root hairs, epidermal cells, they work together. So what is the function of this root system? It anchors the plant, it holds the plant in the soil, it absorbs the minerals and water from the soil. So these two systems, they work together, then plant perform its life activities. Now you can well understand how the body of the organism is formed, how much complicated is the body of an organism. In this organism, all the organ systems work together and perform the life activities. From this picture you can see that first one is the cell. So this cell is the building unit of the organism, and when similar cells combine together and perform a function, then it is called the tissues. It means tissue is the combination of similar cells to perform a specific function. Next to the tissue is the organ. And how these organs are formed? Organ is the combination of different type of tissues. Different tissues work together and then organ is formed. In the same way, different type of organs, they work together and then a system is formed, organ system is formed. And when different organ systems work together to perform the life activities, then an organism is formed. These are the level of organizations, that how an organism is formed, how much the complicated process of the formation of an organism. Okay, well girls, now I think you have understand the basic concepts in this. Now concentrate to your exercise and do it.